bigger one. I don't need that big of a one. There's bigger.
Yeah,
I'm gonna take this small one.
Thank you guys for cooking us.
Somebody will thank you guys.
Bon appetit.
Cheers.
I truly like everyone that's here, and I enjoy their stories, and we laugh a lot, and we play around, and we joke, and that is incredible.
You know, the game is great, and I want to do as best as I can, but I also want to have fun. I want to enjoy this.
Uh-oh. Last night I realized that the rice is so good.
I can swallow it, and then I can regurgitate it, and then swallow it again.
What?
No.
So I eat it.
And it's so good I swallow it. So I prove that I swallow it, because it's not in my mouth.
This is unreal.
Ah! Right, it's not. Is it in my mouth or is it not? Jeremy, is it in my mouth?
It's not in your mouth.
Now, when do you want the rice back in my mouth?
Oh, okay. Right now.
So how are you even hungry? You should just be doing that all day.
Yeah, right?
You are the most surprising dude. You are like part bird, right? Isn't that what the mama birds do to the babies?
Yes, that's what they
That's
do.
what you do. You're a mama bird. Thank you.
So I need to always check in to make sure I'm having fun.
Hey, anybody looking for the idol? The Nathan's stomach. Hold on, Jeff.
You'll always have it with you.